Hi, I'm Todd Minton. I'm an instructor at the Center for Irish Music. I teach the bodhrán, mandolin, voice, and guitar. And this is Kaylin McGee, my bodhrán student, and we're going to play a tune. She will tell you about that tune.
We are going to play a reel called The Wild Irishman.
Hi, I'm Nora Rendell, the Executive Director of the Center for Irish Music in St. Paul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support the Center for Irish Music with a charitable contribution on Give to the Max Day, Thursday, November 13th. Your 100% tax-deductible gift will help our nonprofit to carry on the tradition of Irish music through teaching both children and adults to play the tunes, sing the songs, and share them with the community through special events like the Minnesota Irish Music Weekend. Our Give to the Max Day goal is to raise $10,000. To contribute, just visit our website at centerforirishmusic.org and follow the links. On behalf of the instructors, volunteers, and students of the Center for Irish Music, I thank you for keeping the tradition alive along with us, right here in St. Paul.